Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to use graphic equalizer on your Xiaomi 13T. So to enable your Dolby Atmos, we had to do the first, open up your quick settings panel, find your Dolby Atmos icon right here, and tap it to activate. It's already activated on my phone. If the icon is not displayed, it's not a problem. Simply open up your quick access panel, just like this, find this edit button, click here, and your Dolby Atmos should be somewhere around here. Alright, now as it's already activated, give it a long tap to open up Dolby Atmos effect. Alright, so here find your Dolby effects, graphic equalizer, and tap here. So here you can adjust your equalizer. You can choose from one of the presets like rock, metal, electronics, or simply press on custom and you can adjust it up to your taste. So simply on the scale, drag your hertz scale up or down. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.